Hello, today's July 8th, 2017. As usual, let's go over our calls. I was looking for this low to be undercut at some point during Friday's trade. We gapped up sharply. That never happened. So that's a miss. If we're going to invalidate the rule for that, we should have overtaken actually this high. I said this one, but I should have said this one. I said if we went up, we had some price targets for the MEJT system. This one was a resistance level. This one was actually a support resistance level too. So I thought these might not print, but they did, and they actually worked. Today we had an early ultimate buy signal, and that worked. We got higher. This rally was said to be false, and here's the white dot that shows the target was hit after the time frame. We don't have any new MEJT targets. Daily pattern's kind of an interesting one. There's a rule I saw a couple of places online that says it repeats every 32 days, every 32 calendar days. It's steered me in the right direction a few times, more than a few times, but recently it's had a few misses, so I'm starting to lose confidence. It called for an early high and a trading low before lunch. Technically the parameters are met, but it sure looks like an early low with a pre-lunch time high to me. I guess you could call it either way. So with that caveat that I'm losing some confidence in the rule, Monday's supposed to be a day with an early high and a tendency to close near the day's high the majority of the time. Well, we have positive and negative things from Friday's trade. Let's go over them. It's positive when you gap up and rally all day, but it's not positive when you cannot close over the middle of the day high. It's invalidated if we gap up and overtake this high when we reopen Monday. If it's the market's intention to continue higher, that shouldn't be too hard to do, particularly with a wall in the last 5 minutes. So if we break through this, we go higher. If not, we can go down. What's not good about this? Well, it's not good we couldn't overtake these highs. It's not good that we're so close to the all-time high and we have more stocks hitting new lows than hitting new highs. We have here the opposite of what we had near the high. We broke out to a new high, couldn't hold it. Here we broke out under all these lows, but not this one, which is a critical one. And then rallied, and the blue line shows we've overtaken all these prior lows. So it's a failure of this breakout attempt. However, this gap should fill at some time. We have two lower attempts, one higher attempt. I guess you could call that one. Usually the side with the most attempts wins. Well, here's a stilt, here's a stilt, here's a new diamond, half is enough. This is the old diamond on stilts, here's your half a diamond. Here's the origin of the left stilt, and that's a support resistance level. The origin of the left stilt is up here in the middle 2430s. If we break through this high, that's your resistance area. If we drop instead, we should fill the gap and undercut that low and find support over there. So we have resistance near 2435 and support near, I guess, 2407 or something like that. I think the early trade's going to tell us how we're going to go. If we go up, that's the target. If we go down, that's the target. And I think we may know before the open, because the pattern, I think, is likely to gap outside of the day's range. And if not, I think it'll close, it'll change, and have the big move on Tuesday, and that's today's call.